Watson Wu out here recording a special Ford Bronco. This is a wild track trim, and if you come close you can see what we did to this beautiful thing. Look at that. Tires spinning and all that stuff, it's great. So we have one mic in the engine compartment and routed to where the recorder is. And we have two mics in the cabin, left and right, behind the driver and passenger. You get the rattling sounds of going through mud and dirt. And back here, we have two mics mounted by the exhaust to get the exhaust sounds. So this mic actually submerged, I saw, in the water a little bit, but should be okay. If not, it's okay. It's not the first time. And I'm out there with a stereo microphone capturing the pass-bys, getting really close where the tire is spinning in mud. And Michelle, the camera lady now, she did a great job having fun out here. How do you like Top Secret Road, Michelle?
Great time.
Yeah, I love this place. Cool. We should buy this place and
we should
put up a wall and have passwords so special people come in. Anyway, I'm going on and on, but fantastic vehicle. We enjoy the performance and the sounds. Okay, thanks for listening.